Ay, arkin.
Yeah, this our sa mga finishers natin, we have, I think, freebies for you, and of course, free breakfast, simple breakfast at the gymnasium.
Wala pang babae, oh. Yung straight.
Sayang. Ako sana yun, father.
Ikaw sana yan.
Ako sana yun.
Ikaw sana yung huli. Anong oras mamaya, Tia?
9 o'clock, father. Marami na sila dyan. 20 plus na yung...
Yeah, well,
May pare ba?
Congratulations for finishing the 5 kilometer run.
May pare.
Takbo Kasyon
May
2012.
brother. Tapos maraming sister.
Yehey! Congrats!
Tito Arnel is here!
We have your freebies. Courtesy of the campus ministry
Nasa
office.
gym po ang breakfast.
Anong breakfast natin, Tia?
Goto, tsaka pandesal. Wala pa talagang babae, father, oh.
Yan, sige.
Ilang kilometro to?
4 point something.
Yeah.
Yay! Woo! Congrats!
Welcome back to our finishers.
Yay!
I think this group are the volleyball players. Yeah. Tuloy ba yung competition ninyo this coming Friday? Alright, so to catch our volleyball players, play against Aquinas University, catch them on Friday. 3 p.m. at the covered courts.
Ganda nga yung effect, eh.
May first na babae na.
Simple breakfast prepared for you by the campus ministry office at the gymnasium. So, punta na lang tayo dun.
Ilan yung prepare natin na food?
Dalawang malaking kaldero.
Yay! Congrats! Yay! First female! Yay!
Oh my God! Hindi ako nakakuha. Sa gym. Ate makaupo. Mga brothers into father, oh. Brother. Morning, brothers.
Congrats!
Welcome back to our runners. Yan, so we have prepared for you simple breakfast at the gymnasium. So pwede rin kayong matandang mass at 6:15. Simple breakfast at the gymnasium. Punta na lang po tayo doon.
Kumain ka na? Galing niya, oh. First, pinauna niya si Jonathan, tapos sinahabol niya. Yay! Finisher! Finisher! Yay! Congrats!